your friendly neighborhood PPLD librarian Krista with another Do It From Home program. So today I'm going to demonstrate how to make an easy natural deodorant. So all you'll need is coconut oil, baking soda, cornstarch, and essential oils for fragrance if you have them. You'll also need a small container to hold your homemade deodorant. So this is a very easy recipe, but I would suggest warming up your coconut oil to make it easier to scoop, measure, and mix. Let's move my stuff out of the way and then we'll get going here. So you'll just want a small bowl and a tablespoon measure to measure all your ingredients out into. So the first thing you'll want to measure out is 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. So we'll do that right now. Doesn't have to be perfect measurements, but just enough to make the mix here. Alright, so that's 4. And then you'll also want to do 4 tablespoons of baking soda. It's kind of a lot. Let's do 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you'll just kind of want to mix that in just to kind of get it all mixed up and nice. Okay, and then next we're going to do 6 tablespoons of coconut oil. And so coconut oil is kind of hard to scoop out in its solidified state, so just want to try as best as you can. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's a little messy, and then 6. And you can always adjust it if you don't think you have enough or you have too much, so it's a pretty flexible recipe. And then I would use a fork to kind of mash it up really nice. So let's get working on that. Alright, and so after some time of mixing, I ended up using my hands for a big part of it. Just made it easier to kind of mush up the coconut oil. You should have something the consistency of sort of like a really soft dough. So if you want, you just leave it like that because it does have a nice coconut smell. But if you do have some essential oils and you want to make it smell differently, this is when you would use that. So I'm going to use some eucalyptus essential oils to add to my mix. And this really is a totally personal preference. You can put as much or as little as you want just to make it smell nice. And then give that a quick little mix here. Just to kind of get the smell incorporated. That's pretty much it on that front. So once you think it's nice and mixed and the smells good, all you have to do next is just scoop it out and put it into your container. So just scoop out a little bit, kind of smush it in there. And close the top. And that's it. So you might want to place it in the fridge for a little bit to solidify it if your coconut oil has really melted down before you use it. But other than that, you just open the top, scoop out what you need, and then use it like normal deodorant. So thanks for watching, and let us know how yours turned out. And don't forget to check out the library's website, pouklib.org, for more resources. Bye!